Hey guys, today we're gonna start our lesson with an important topic related to routing system. It's just route groups. What is route groups? Why it's important? First of all, imagine you are just creating a specific website that has a lot of routing, and also the sub routes, right? Uh, yeah, you can face one route has other some routes, sub routes, right? What I mean by that, you just creating a navigation, it's called marketing that has two specific routes. I mean nested routes, right? Not nested routes, but related routes. Yeah, I can say that. About and blog, right? And also shop. It's shop navigation, just navigation route, the part of the routing system in your application. It's related to the account and blah blah blah, right? As you can see, marketing just wrapped with the square roots, brackets. It doesn't have a huge impact on the routing, right? Because it's just only the parent route that has sub routes. I mean, child routes, right? That child routes is related that to the main route. Uproader. Yeah. When you just slash in about, you can see the inside of the marketing route group. You can just display it on the screen, right? Without further ado, we just go into the dive into the practice, right? Yeah, let's do it. And I open it and I write my code already. You can see right here, full stack app, localhost 301, 3001, sorry. We just create our routes inside of app route. You can imagine we just creating the authentication for our application. Authentication has a lot of routing like segments, right? Like, for example, a login, register, forgot password, OTP, blah blah blah, right? But we just create says that route segments. How can I do it? For example, first one is login, and inside of this page.tsx because it's a new route, right? Page.tsx and also upload inside of uploader, register as well, register and register page.tsx. And also the forgot password and page.tsx, right? Inside of this. It's working? And not really, it's not working, but I will try to, uh, you know, delete it. Yeah, I can just teach you also the how to create the specific folder inside of the files immediately, right? How can I do this? Forgot password, not folder. I'm sorry, not folder, but you need to create the file, right? File inside of a folder, please. Um, Forgot password slash page.tsx. Yeah, it's working. You can see it's working. I mean, it's very fastest way to create your to create your routing router, or to create your just inside of the page.tsx. Uh, I mean open on and prompt to the parent folder. Yeah. Let me just create the expert default function. It's forgot password. Return h1 forgot password page, right? Let me copy the file and pass here because it's login page, login, and also the login page right here, register page as well. We just change it and modify only the a name of the component and also the h1 title, because when it's opening the page, it's just displaying the screen on the screen. For example, login, when I go to login page, it's opening the login page, right? It's working. And also register page, register is also the opening register page. And last one is forgot password, right? Forgot password. Yeah. All of the roads are working as I expected, right? But one thing that important has, you need to focus on the just authentication, like folders and subfolders, and also routing segments. But I would recommend you to create a out root group that has related the components that combining them in one folder, right? Yeah, it's highly recommended by experienced developers and also Next.js team as well. For example, let me create the out inside of the out, right? And let me copy and pass here inside the root group, right? It not work. It doesn't work, I think. Oh, really? Not working. Oh, sorry. Hmm. Okay. Let me close all the tabs and right here select three of them. Control just click. Three of them selected, and right here I can just uh, put them here, right? When I refresh the page, it doesn't affect in a huge effect the routing system, right? Because yeah, I mean all routes are working as we expected, and it's the same thing, right? We just only the outs just grouping the routes. For example, when I docs created just some kind of the Slack, blah blah blah, and product is that related to other grouping. I mean root group and profile. It's related to user, for example, right? You can create the, for example, user, and inside the user just profile, and also, for example, what is related to user root groups, for example, mm, profile as well, and for example, it's it's orders maybe, right? It's orders. For example, specific user has some orders or blah blah blah, something like this, right? When open the page, not only the you don't want to do just user slash profile. Don't do this because it's not working. We just only the uh, like wrapping the root groups, not to the nested root as well, right? It's working the as I expected. I mean, related to the uproader. Yeah, that's all today, guys. I would recommend you to read the whole page about the root groups and also complete the routing system as well. Yeah, although I am just teaching by the video tutorials, I would recommend you go here and just read some articles and something like this. But when we'll go to practicing and just working on a specific project related to Next.js, uh, we just we just apply to all the topics to one project, right? Yeah, in the feature videos and the feature and upcoming tutorial series, right? Yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next video.